IMF has warned of a global recession, so you are supposed to brace for it. Probably the markets will fall more from here onwards because of the sentences from IMF. So the market may be more volatile, or market may see a deep decline in the prices from where it is currently. So this is Ashok from Exotic Investment. Do subscribe to the channel and give a like to this video so that it will reach more people. Having said that, let's jump into today's analysis. I will give you two perspectives. First of all, it is a daily chart, and the second one is yesterday's intraday chart. So the daily chart actually shows that the market is moving, limping, so to say, limping a bit higher every day, and there will be a huge decline one day, and there will be bits and pieces of highs every day. And probably today will be a day of carnage, probably a crash in the market. I'll tell you why. And the everyday chart actually shows that the market is trying to go upwards, but the bears are actually cutting at the toppest level. They will probably lose about 180 to 200 points in just one day, and the bulls are trying to cope up with that in small steps. So having said that, yesterday's market, there was a great hike in the beginning itself within 11 o'clock. After that, the market actually fell and afterwards rose to the same level wherever it had made the high in the beginning till 11 o'clock. So we have drawn a Fibonacci retracement from 9:15 to 11 o'clock, and the market has been in that particular range for almost the whole of the day. After that, it could go a bit higher around 3 o'clock. However, it did not sustain. It stayed in the range and it closed at the highest range of 11 o'clock. So that was yesterday's session. And today, the markets, the US markets have actually given negativity in the market. 15 points down for S&P 500. Nasdaq is down by 77 points. And Dow Jones is down by 10 points. Mostly everything is negative. As well, Nikkei is showing 310 points carnage, that is negativity. Minus 1.19% is where the Nikkei, the Japanese market, is actually showing. S&P 500 is not great as well. It's showing 64 points lower in the session. So this means that there is negativity all over, and probably the Indian markets will open negative as well. So let us look at the supports and resistances. Supports are great as of now. The level of 18,159 will act as a huge support as of now as well. Now the markets have actually crossed the 18,200 levels. 18,200 also will act as support. So 18,200, 18,159 and 18,070 levels will act as a great supports for Nifty as of now. And where are the resistances? There are ample resistances as of now around 18,300. First of all, 18,268 to 270 levels is a great resistance for the market. Then 18,300 and afterwards 18,411 to 427 levels. Those are the resistances. There is one more resistance over here, which is the Bollinger Band medium, which is the 20-day moving average. So that's around 18,390 levels. That's a big resistance, and it has gears all up for showing that there is great resistance at this point of time. That being said, if you have any questions at all with respect to technical analysis, I'm here to take. Please put it in the comments below. I will show you how to double your money fast, and you can watch that video right over here. I will see you in that video. Let me show you how to double your money fast. Click on that video and watch it. I'll see you over there.